Hi, I'm Brett Milan. I'm the marketing manager at Shoei Safety Helmet Corporation, and we're out here at beautiful Paris Raceway, California to do our brand new VFXW helmet press intro. The Transworld Motocross staff was actually really influential in the design of this helmet. We began having meetings with the staff of Transworld actually over 2 years ago in the very infant stages of development of this helmet. They really gave us a lot of ideas that in what they wanted to see in a helmet, and we used a lot of that to bring the VFXW to you. And a lot of new technology had to be developed to bring you this brand new helmet. You see here the really aggressive shell shape. We actually had to develop a brand new helmet forming technology to create these aggressive ridges here while maintaining a consistent shell thickness. Maintaining the consistent shell thickness is important to keep the weight on the low side, because if material bunches up on these edges here, then it actually can make the helmet weigh more. So we've done everything we can to bring you the lightest and strongest AIM Plus helmet shell available. Other features that are brand new and unique to this helmet. In the past, we've actually had plastic vent covers on all the vents on our off-road helmets, and that's because we gave customers the option of closing or opening vents. Well, we actually did a lot of research before developing this helmet, both with our sponsored riders and then with customers as well. And all the focus groups we did, we never had anybody tell us that they ever want to close off ventilation on an off-road helmet, because no matter how hot it gets, you sweat when you ride off-road. So we actually open this helmet up as much as possible. There are 11 different intake and exhaust ports on this helmet. You see here even the cheek pads are ventilated on the VFXW. All the ventilation ports are also protected by a stainless steel mesh screen, as is the mouthpiece. So that helps prevent dirt and debris from entering the helmet. Inside the helmet, you'll see even more of the Shoei magic. This is our 3D Max Dry liner system. The 3D Max Dry liner system is coated with proprietary material to Shoei, which is the Max Dry material. And the Max Dry material is actually able to absorb sweat twice as fast as traditional nylon, and also exhaust it twice as fast. So this will do a good job of keeping your goggles from getting full of sweat. Also, part of the 3D Max Dry liner system are these ventilation scoops. So these scoops are actually built into the liner. They scoop the air in the front there, and then you see that the air enters these channels that are built into the EPS liner of the helmet. And those channels allow air to flow more freely throughout the interior of the helmet. Another really unique feature of the EPS liner of the helmet is that this year it's a two-piece system. There's an inner EPS liner and an outer EPS liner that's hidden. The outer EPS liner is hidden from view, and the inner EPS liner actually comes in different densities depending on the size of the helmet. So the smaller helmets have a lower density EPS liner, so it's a little softer and it can absorb lighter impacts more easily. And the outer EPS liner is stiffer, and that varies by the size of the helmet. And the reason for that is when a 200-pound rider hits the ground, they're hitting it with a lot more force than an 85-pound rider. So we want to be able to vary the stiffness of the helmet by the size of the rider. So that's another first for Shoei. Unfortunately, people get hurt riding dirt bikes, and oftentimes it's very important for the medical staff at a track to be able to remove a helmet without pulling on the rider's neck. So you see here that we have these quick release tabs here, and we can actually release these and pull the cheek pads out of the bottom of the helmet. So the cheek pads can be removed from the helmet without actually removing the helmet from the rider's head. Once the cheek pads are out, the helmet basically falls off of your head, so it makes it much easier for the emergency medical personnel to remove the helmet without tugging on the rider's neck. All these features, combined with traditional Shoei quality, and craftsmanship to bring you the new VFXW helmet. This will be available in sizes extra small through double extra large, with pricing ranging from $399.99 for solid colors up to $529.99 for the graphic models. And it'll be available in dealers starting in early December. And I understand their testing didn't end there, because Don Maeda received the very first editor's sample of VFXW helmet earlier this week, and I understand he only made it 2 laps on Tuesday before he went and dug his head into the ground with it. And he survived to go ride at the Trans World Ride Day today, so I guess the helmet did a good job of keeping him safe. Hopefully it'll do the same for you.